Okay guys, on beginning of the week we made, I think it was Monday, we made these super cute envelope pockets for my blue butterfly journal. This journal is work in progress. It's got 2 signatures. There's a workshop on my website. Everything is listed down below, but to give you a hint, this is my homepage. If you clicked craft workshop, this page came up, so you can find my ebook, and that is the blue butterfly workshop. So you get everything that you need to make this journal, so all the papers and also video tutorials and also my ebook. So yes, go and get it now. Right, so today the freebie is this page here, but before I show that, in case you guys missed it, I will link this video down below because I love them. We made these envelope pockets together on Monday, and to be fair, really like them. So they're all blue because it's a blue journal, so everything is gonna be blue. And I will do several videos. I want to make this, I mean, it's very chunky but I want to make this journal even chunkier, and then when I'm happy with that, I will sell it. So this year I'm selling all my journals, so there are some already on my website ready for you guys to purchase if you wanted to. But yeah, so this is a work in progress. So I made these super cute blue pockets. I really like them. I have used my blue background papers, so it's a selection. Some of these are printed back to front, so this is more like a china blue. You can make a fabulous greetings card with this, or even if you laminate it, they can be table mat. So that, and that's another page. Then page number 3, it's lovely blue flowers. It's blue and gold. I don't think there's anything on the back. Then there is a vintagey floral one, again blue and green. There is another geometric one. I love that. And this is when we made these little pockets on Monday. I told you that when you visit Italy or the south of Italy, or like all the little towns that on the Mediterranean side, you can see a lot of tiles. A lot of houses has these as a floor tiles, and that's another floral. So it's all blue to go with the journal, of course. So this is the kit that I used to design this one. Now, of course, it would have been boring if it would have just been blue, because I already gave you another freebie with a blue butterfly. So again, all my freebies are available to be downloaded for absolutely free on my Facebook group. Okay, so go there guys and you will see them all. Anyway, so I used for this background here, I have used those, and I turn into pink, into green, and I just play with layers of blue flowers and this really deep, I know it looks like purple, it is purple, don't get me wrong, but it's more like a burgundy purple. So again, you can use it with a blue journal, you can use it as do it a pink, you can cut it and do pockets, you can do anything you want guys. So where to find this? So because when I designed a freebie from a kit, this kit, if you guys want it, the background kit is available 30% off from Friday, so from today up to Sunday night. It will go back to full price on Monday. So when I do a freebie on a Friday, if I use a kit to design my freebie, the kit will normally go 30% off. It's like a flash sale just for 3 days only. So this kit will be discounted, 30% off, no code needed. Just go on my website, everything is linked down below. Guys, where do you find this freebie? It is, as I said, on my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a minute where to find it. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups Antonio Makes. So if you're not registered, come and join us. You just need to send me an invite and I will approve your request. Here on top you got all the top I pinned, and then this is all the amazing crafters and myself that share videos and post and things like this. so you guys cannot miss it, and all the freebies are in there. Now, if you click, I'm just scrolling up slowly so you guys don't get headache. So if you click on files, there you go. All the freebies. This is my Christmas freebies as well. When we did the Christmas advent calendars, we'd get a freebie a day. Keep the doctor away. So yeah, all my freebies for the last 3 years, all in here for you guys, ready to download. So you saw the freebie on Facebook. This freebie gets sent out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time on a newsletter, and I will put here on the left hand side what the newsletter looks like. It's an email that's sent once a week, sometimes twice a week, but it's more once a week than twice a week. When I send a recap for the week, there is a kit for the week. Of course, will be this one. There will be a cheeky discount code. So on top of this, there are also other offers. Yeah, it's very worth subscribing. It's some crafty news, some chit chats, etc, etc. So guys, that's it for today. I will see you on Sunday for a fabulous giveaway. And next week I got loads of videos coming up. Can't wait. And yeah, guys, have a fabulous weekend. Don't forget to download the rest of the freebies, because I have few blue designed freebies that can be used with a journal. So and if you want to check out the workshop, everything is listed down below. I know 100% you're going to like this freebie. If you do, let me know in the comment down below and give you a big thumbs up, because you telling YouTube how fabulous I am. I am fabulous, aren't I? If I am, thumbs up. Guys, thank you so much for everything you do for me. I've got a giveaway coming up on Friday, or not today's Friday, on Sunday. You're gonna love that. If you like this Friday freebie, you're gonna love my giveaway on Sunday. So keep watching, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah.